In response to the Desire to Learn EDGE Challenge 2012, the Shippensburg University team presents Tune In. When classes are like this, the student-teacher interaction is vibrant and continuously changing, allowing the teacher to adjust the presentation of the material based on the understanding level of the students. But sometimes, the logistics of the class disconnect the teacher from the student, making it difficult or impossible to read the student's normal body language cues. Without that feedback, the teacher is left to present the material at what he considers a reasonable pace, but he cannot adjust to the students the way he can in small face-to-face classes.
Tune In enables students to give the teacher feedback as they begin to understand. The Equalizer allows the teacher to see how well the class is following without disrupting the presentation of the material.
We developed Tune In to reconnect teachers and students in these challenging environments. Each student has a client that allows him to submit his current understanding level. Higher volume implies better understanding, providing the lost feedback to the teacher in an anonymous way. The more your students are rocking, the better their understanding.
In real time, the responses of students are accumulated and shown on the teacher's display. They are colored to make it easy to see how well the class is understanding, so that the teacher knows when he can move on and when he needs to stay on a topic a little longer. In a larger class, changing feedback from a few students could be overshadowed by the data from students who are not updating their response. To make sure those students are heard, Tune In accents their response by giving them more influence on the teacher's equalizer than idle students.
Remember, this is all done anonymously. The students provide no identifying information to the system. However, a pin allows the teacher to be reasonably sure that the feedback is coming from the students in the class. When the teacher connects, the system gives him a pin that he shares with the students. Students enter the pin to connect with a correct class. Tune In also gives the students the ability to send an anonymous note to the teacher. This could be a specific question or general comment to help the teacher know how to raise the overall understanding of the class.
This can be done on a computer or using your smartphone. The smartphone app functions exactly the same as the PC client.
The communication Tune In provides has two important characteristics. First, all feedback from the student is anonymous, so students should be comfortable sharing. Second, students who are participating get a stronger connection to the teacher. Even in large classes, the teacher will be able to see how well things are going. While direct interaction between the student and teacher may seem optimal, it often isn't practical. The goal of Tune In is to help the teacher and students harmonize, even when the logistics make that difficult. With the feedback from the students, the teacher will be able to adjust to the needs of the students and provide a better educational experience.